say this one is gonna be a shock, because this one is different and it's a shot. You know what the name of this shot? It's called a blowjob. I don't know why they call it that, but that's the name of the shot. Blowjob. Too bad we don't have any ladies to do it when it's finished, but guess what? I'm gonna make a blowjob shot for you. All the ladies stand by for the blowjob. Bam! Alright guys, welcome back again. I know you're very looking out for this drink. Acquainted to it, get used to it, and you're gonna love it. Alright guys, so we have a special, somebody asked me to make it, if I can make a blowjob drink. I was like, okay, that is easy. You know, not many people know how to do it, but I'm gonna go through it and make you know how it works. First of all, we have the Tia Maria liqueur. Yes, if you don't have this, you could just use Kahlua. Rum cream, Jamaican finest of all. Sangsters. We have Sangsters and we got the Ray and Nephew. But we're going to use Sangsters rum cream. This is very good as well. And also, if you don't have any of these, you could use Baileys. Everybody know Baileys. Alright? And we're going to top it off with little shh. Ladies, I'm coming with it. So we want to reach out to this fancy glass. It looks different, but it's like a display of different kind of shot you could put in it. And I want to thank my friend Jesse Reese, some say Rice, for reaching out to me for this. And there is, if anyone on board want to go and give me a sponsor, you could just look in the description. You see my email address. You just reach out to me and I surely will get back to you with that. Alright guys, so we want to go straight into this drink mix, and this is different. It's a shot. Blowjob. Yeah, so what we're going to do, we're going to set it up. We're going to set it up. Instead of using 1 glass, this is a new technique of just making the shot. So first, we're going to go with the Tia Maria. We're going to go first with the Tia Maria. Alright? Look at it, guys. How cool that is. Alright. That is amazing. And then we're going to put Sangster's rum cream on top. Tell me how cool this is. Wow. Nice. It's supposed to be layered, but because of the speed of this, it can't be layered in that. But it's still a blowjob shot. So what we're going to just do, we're just going to just cream it up. First scene. Remember, this is different. This is pretty cool. Your rum cream or your Baileys, your coffee liqueur, your Kahlua, some people use, or any form of coffee liqueur, and we top it off with some whipped cream. Alright guys, so you know Jamaican Mixmaster do this thing different, so look out for the display of it. Alright. Guys, you see it? So what we did, what I did is just grate some chocolate on top of the whipped cream and just top it off like that. This is amazing shot. Well, I gotta try it. Alright, ladies, if you want to try it, you could do it this way or do it your way. Alright guys, so let me first taste it. It is good. That is amazing. Cheers guys. Stay tuned for next week. We're coming out with another drink. Mix again. This is the shot of the century. Take care guys, and until next week again, we're coming out with another banger. Ain't no donger. Swanger.